Welcome to English Zone 101. Today we're diving deep into one of the most essential, yet often overlooked topics in English grammar, determiners. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or someone brushing up on your grammar, this is your complete guide to mastering determiners with clarity, confidence, and real-life examples. So, what exactly is a determiner? In simple terms, a determiner is a word that comes before a noun to show which thing you're talking about. Example: the book on the table is mine. Here, the is a determiner. It tells us we're talking about a specific book.
Why are determiners important? Determiners are not optional. They are vital for correct grammar and clear communication. For example, I saw cat. This sentence is incorrect. The correct one is, I saw a cat. That little word a makes the sentence grammatically correct and much easier to understand. Determiners help you structure sentences properly and communicate meaning effectively. There are 8 major types of determiners in English. Let's list them before we explore each in detail. Articles: a, an, the. Demonstratives: this, that, these, those. Possessives: my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Quantifiers: some, many, much, few, little, a lot of. Numbers: 1, 2, first, second, etc. Distributives: each, every, either, neither. Interrogatives: which, what, whose, etc. Difference words: other, another. First, let's talk about articles, the most basic type of determiner. A and an are indefinite articles used for non-specific nouns. The is a definite article used for specific nouns. I bought a car. Any car. I parked the car outside. A particular car. Use and before vowel sounds: an apple, an hour. Use a before consonant sounds: a book, a university. Demonstratives point to specific things based on distance: near, this, for singular, and these, for plural. Far, that, for singular, and those, for plural. This pen is mine. Those shoes belong to her? Possessive determiners show ownership or belonging. They include my, your, his, her, its, our, their. For example, her phone is on the table. Their teacher is very strict. Note that these are different from possessive pronouns like mine, yours, theirs. Quantifiers tell us how much or how many. Some are used for countable nouns, others for uncountable nouns, and some for both. Countable: many, few, a few, several, a number of. Uncountable: much, little, a little, enough, a bit of. Both: some, any, a lot of, plenty of. For example, many students joined the club. There isn't much time left. Numbers can also act as determiners. Cardinal numbers: 1, 2, 3. Ordinal numbers: first, second, third. I have 3 cats. He came first in the race. Distributives refer to a group or individual parts within a group. Examples include all, both, half, either, neither, each, every. Each and every are used for singular nouns. Either and neither refer to each of 2 items. For example, each student has a locker. Neither option works for me. Interrogative determiners are used in questions. Which color do you like? What time is it? Whose coat is this? They help in inquiry and clarification. These determiners talk about alternatives or additional items. Another means one more, singular. Other means different one or ones. I need another pen. Do you have any other ideas? Relative determiners are used to introduce noun phrases that begin relative dependent clauses. They include what, whatever, which, whichever, etc. Example: he'll buy whatever book he needs. In English grammar, determiners are words that precede and specify a noun or noun phrase. When multiple determiners are used, they follow a specific order and are categorized based on their position. Determiners fall into 3 different categories, based on their position and role: predeterminers, central determiners, and postdeterminers. What are they? How do they work? And why should you care? Let's break it all down with examples. In English, when you describe a noun, the words before it are all types of determiners. Take this example. All my 3 books. Here, all, my, and 3, all are determiners. But did you know they fall into 3 different categories based on their position and role? Here's the order: predeterminer, central determiner, postdeterminer, adjectives, noun. Let's explore each type one by one. First up, the central determiner. Think of it as the heart of the noun phrase. It tells us what kind of noun we're dealing with. Is it known, unknown, possessive, demonstrative? Central determiners include articles, a, an, the, demonstratives, this, that, these, those, possessives, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, interrogatives, which, what, whose, etc. Some, any in certain cases. Examples: my car is red, the book is old, which seat is yours? Rule: you can only have one central determiner per noun phrase. It is wrong to say, the my friend. It should be, my friend. Or the friend. Now let's go one step before the central determiner. These are predeterminers. They give extra quantity, emphasis, or emotion. Common predeterminers are all, both, half, what, and such, as used in exclamations, twice, double, 3 times, etc. Examples: all my friends are here. Both these options are valid. What a surprise that was. They always come before the central determiner, like this: all my time, both these answers. Such a mess. Next comes the postdeterminer. These words appear after the central determiner and add info about number, order, or quantity. Common postdeterminers: numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. Ordinals: first, second, last, etc. Quantifiers: many, several, few, next, most, etc. Examples: my 3 cousins live abroad. The first chapter was amazing. These many problems are frustrating. They always come after the central determiner, never before.
Here again, I repeat the typical order in a complex noun phrase: predeterminer plus central determiner plus postdeterminer plus adjectives plus noun. Let's see a full noun phrase in action. All, predeterminer. My, central determiner. 3, postdeterminer. Favorite blue, adjectives. Books, noun. The full phrase is, all my 3 favorite blue books. Let's fix some common mistakes. It is wrong to say, my teacher is strict. The correct version is, my teacher is strict. Or, the teacher is strict. Wrong. Both options are correct. Right, both options are correct. Or, all the options are correct. Remember, one central determiner only per phrase. Let's wrap it up with a quick recap. Predeterminer adds quantity, emphasis. All, both, what, a, etc. Central determiner, the core, the, my, this, which, etc. Postdeterminer adds number, order, 3, many, first, few, etc. When used in order, they make your English sound natural, rich, and grammatically accurate. And that's your complete breakdown of determiners. If you found this helpful, give us a like. Subscribe to English Zone 101. Share this with a fellow grammar geek. And remember, the right word in the right place makes all the difference. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.